Are you ready to explore Milan's captivating blend of history, culture, art, fashion, and modern local experiences? This vibrant city is a perfect blend of historical grandeur and modern sophistication. Every corner of Milan promises adventure, from the awe-inspiring Duomo di Milano and the artistic treasures of the Pinacoteca di Brera to the lively Quadrilatero della Moda and the serene Navigli District. Whether you're marveling at the Last Supper or exploring the futuristic Porta Nuova district, Milan offers a unique experience for every traveler. Join us for an unforgettable 3-day adventure in Milan. Stay until the end to discover insider tips and hidden gems to make your trip pleasant and memorable. Don't forget to like and subscribe for more weekly adventures and travel tips. Best time to visit Milan. Discover Milan's charm from April to June with mild weather and blooming gardens, alongside events like Milan Design Week. Enjoy pleasant temperatures, fewer crowds, and world-class fashion events from September to November, making it ideal for exploring architectural marvels and cultural delights. Budget-wise, expect to spend around €100 to €150 per day per person, covering meals, transport, and attractions in this vibrant city. Airport tips and where to stay in Milan. The main airport serving Milan is Milano Malpensa Airport, MXP. Located about 45 kilometers northwest of the city center, it's well connected to Milan via train, bus, and taxi services. Ticket costs can vary widely depending on the season and where you're flying from. According to recent data, the average round-trip airfare from major European cities to Milan can range from €50 to €200. International flights from the US or Asia typically range from $500 to $1,200 round-trip. Hotel Milano Castello offers comfortable rooms at reasonable rates near Milan's city center, close to attractions like the Duomo and Sforza Castle, while Hotel Corobio in the artistic Brera district provides cozy accommodation within walking distance to Pinacoteca di Brera and other cultural sites, both offering convenient access to Milan's main attractions. Both offer good value for money, with price ranges typically between €100 to €200 per night, depending on the season and room type. Let's first explore the historical and cultural part of Milan. This magnificent cathedral took nearly 6 centuries to complete and is the largest church in Italy. The magnificent Gothic cathedral is a must-see for tourists and first-time travelers. It boasts intricate spires, statues, beautiful artwork, and stunning stained glass windows. Don't forget to take an elevator ride to the rooftop for a breathtaking and panoramic view of Milan and marvel at the city's skyline. It's a perfect starting point to explore Milan's rich history and culture. Our next destination is Galleria Vittorio Emanuele. Just a stone's throw away from the Duomo, this historic shopping arcade with its stunning glass dome and mosaic floors is perfect for a leisurely stroll. Admire high-end fashion boutiques like Prada and Louis Vuitton and explore luxury brands, upscale boutiques, and designer stores. Grab a coffee at one of the elegant cafes or a snack before heading to our next spot, Teatro alla Scala. Just a short 3-minute walk away awaits the illustrious Teatro alla Scala, renowned worldwide as a premier venue for opera and ballet. While attending a performance is a highlight, touring the theater and its museum offers a fascinating glimpse into its rich heritage. Visitors can also indulge in opera recordings and books, perfect for capturing the essence of this iconic cultural institution. In the afternoon, explore the historic Sforza Castle. Its museums showcase art, artifacts, and Michelangelo's unfinished sculptures. Enjoy strolling through its expansive gardens, visit the Museo d'Arte Antica for Renaissance masterpieces, and shop for souvenirs like replicas of medieval armor. Entry costs range from €5 to €10, offering an enriching experience of Milan's medieval history and cultural heritage. Insider tips include visiting early to avoid crowds, enjoying a picnic in the castle's gardens, and exploring the nearby Parco Sempione for a relaxing stroll. End your first day in the charming Navigli District, famed for its lively canal-side ambience and vibrant nightlife. Enjoy an evening stroll along the charming waterways, dine at cozy trattorias, and browse unique boutiques for vintage finds and local crafts. Enjoy Milan's culinary delights with favorites like risotto alla Milanese, cotoletta alla Milanese, and panzerotti, each offering a taste of local flavors. Insider tip: visit during the aperitivo hours for budget-friendly drinks with complimentary appetizers. Day 2. Discovering Milan's art and fashion hotspots. Begin your second day at the Pinacoteca di Brera, one of Italy's most important art galleries. Here, you'll find masterpieces by Raphael, Caravaggio, and Hayez, alongside modern art by Modigliani and Boccioni. Visitors can explore the serene Brera Botanical Garden and the vibrant Brera District. Engage in art classes, guided tours, and enjoy a delightful breakfast at nearby Café Fernanda, offering cappuccinos, croissants, and brunch plates. Open Tuesday to Sunday, with adult tickets around €15 to €50, this museum promises an enriching experience for all. Nestled in the heart of Milan, Santa Maria delle Grazie is an architectural marvel blending Gothic and Renaissance styles. Inside, gaze upon Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper, a masterpiece that captures a pivotal moment in history, while outside, stroll through the serene cloisters and explore the nearby Leonardo's Vineyard, where the great artist once walked. Don't miss the vibrant local cafes, perfect for savoring authentic Italian espresso and gelato, and immerse yourself in the lively cultural scene of this historic neighborhood. Just a 10-minute drive from Santa Maria delle Grazie, costing between €2 to €15 by public transport or taxi, spend your afternoon at the Quadrilatero della Moda, Milan's fashion district. Stroll down Via Monte Napoleone, lined with luxury boutiques like Gucci and Prada. Step inside the Armani flagship store for a taste of opulence and marvel at the artful displays in La Rinascente. Stroll outside to enjoy chic cafes like Cova and visit hidden gems like the Villa Necchi Campiglio. Insider tip: don't miss the Brera Art Gallery nearby for a cultural treat. Explore Corso Como, a vibrant street in Milan known for its trendy shops, cafes, and nightlife. Visit the 10 Corso Como concept store, an eclectic blend of art, fashion, and design. Inside, browse unique fashion pieces, art books, and exhibitions. Stepping outside, relax in the lush Courtyard Cafe. For dinner, enjoy Italian cuisine and desserts around. Insider tip: don't miss the rooftop terrace for a stunning view. Before returning to your hotel, soak in the lively atmosphere and rest up for Day 3. Discover modern Milan and local experiences. Start your final day in the modern Porta Nuova district, where sleek skyscrapers meet historic charm. Begin at Bosco Verticale, marveling at the lush vertical gardens, then stroll through gay Alenti Square for trendy shops and cafes. Visit the futuristic Unicredit Tower and relax in the tranquil Biblioteca degli Alberi Park. Enjoy breakfast at Pave 4 and indulge in gelato at Grom. Insider tip: for the best city views, head to the rooftop terrace of the Palazzo Lombardia, which is accessible for free on Sundays. For sports enthusiasts, a visit to the San Siro Stadium is a must. Inside, explore the museum showcasing trophies, jerseys, and memorabilia. Take a guided tour of the players' tunnel, locker rooms, and pitch. Outside, admire the iconic architecture and visit the fan store for exclusive merchandise. Ticket prices range from €20 to €100, depending on the match and seating. If lucky, you might meet legends like Paolo Maldini or Javier Zanetti. Don't miss trying local street food and soaking in the electrifying atmosphere. Insider tips: arrive early to spot players during warm-ups or post-game near the exits. For the best view, choose seats in the red or orange sections. Wrap up your trip with a visit to Italy Milan Smeraldo, a gourmet paradise where visitors can explore 3 courses of Italian cuisine featuring fresh pasta, artisanal pizzas, and a wine cellar with over 2,000 labels. Don't miss the rooftop terrace for a stunning view of Milan. Outside, visit the nearby Sempione Park and the iconic Arco della Paz. Insider tip: attend cooking classes or wine tastings for an immersive experience. Tickets for events range from €30 to €100, and dining prices vary, with main courses from €15 to €40. Reserve seats online to avoid long waits. Which one are you most excited about? Let us know in the comments below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit the bell icon for more travel guides.